Hello, Sabadi. My name is Nali. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make my pad thai. Today I'll be making it with the big jumbo shrimp or jumbo prawns and also with pork for my sister. Okay, so for the noodles, I have this pack of rice noodle. I know if you go to the store, they have one specifically for pad thai. So you want to grab the one that says pad thai. Okay, and for the sauce, I made this couple hours earlier. I just happened to have it in a bottle. But I'm going to put the link in the description below of how to make it. And in that tray, I have sugar, chili flakes, crushed peanuts, lime, bean sprout, and green onion. Those are just for garnish. Let's get started. In the pan, I have 2.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. And once that's hot enough, go ahead and add in your shrimp. Yep, just like that. Just be careful. Don't stay too close to the pan because you see the oil jumping. Want to stay away from that. And go ahead and let that cook for like a minute or two. Okay, once that's cooked, just turn it to the other side. I know the original way is to use tofu, but I don't have any tofu right now. But you know what? It doesn't matter. Use whatever meat you want to use. That's why I like cooking my shrimp first. You get that crispy brown color. Once your shrimp is cooked like 80%, go ahead and add in the noodles. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. And let's get back to cooking. It looks like I put a lot, but trust me, I didn't. I think it was just at the most 3 tablespoons. Because there's still a lot left in the bottle. See, look. I didn't use too much of it. But you could always add more sauce of the pad thai. Okay, and then you want to go ahead and just stir that all around till all your noodles coated. You see how orange, brown it's getting? That nice color that you always see in the Thailand street market. And then go ahead and add in your 1 egg. I mean, you could add more, but I just added 1. And what I like to do is when the egg is almost like cooked, 50%, I flip my noodle and just cover their eggs just like this. Oh, and look at that jumbo shrimp. Look at it. You see how crispy and brown it is? See? Nice, right? And that's why I cook my shrimp first. And to make sure it's cooked. And don't be scared to add like a tablespoon of water at a time. It helps soften up the noodles. And just go ahead and stir it up. This noodle did not take long to cook at all. So when you could tell like right now the noodle's getting soft, so you know we're close to done. Okay, go ahead and add in your bean sprout. And then you want to add in your sliced green onion. Only put your bean sprout and green onion in the pan when you already have turned off the heat, or else you're just going to overcook it. Just look at that beauty. And just go ahead, give it a quick stir. And that's coming out so perfectly. I just want to say, please go watch my video. I'm going to put it in the link below in the description. Go watch it and see how I make the pad thai sauce. Look at that. It is finally done. Just give me a close-up look. Now let's go ahead and put in the tray that we already had assembled. Doesn't that look good? Isn't it so perfect? Yeah, I'm not going to lie. Once I was done filming, I ate the whole plate. It was so good. And I also want to say I also made one for my sister. She loves it spicy, so I put in the crushed peanut and the crushed chili flakes right into the pan and just fry it up for her. See? And that's with pork because she can't have shrimp. I just want to say thanks for watching.